typical flood control machine comes with 50 feet of intake hose and 50 feet of discharge hose, a stainless steel pickup wand, and the machine that pumps out at 80 gallons per minute. The discharge hose is securely fastened with a cam style connection similar to a fireman hose. The intake is attached at the top and is dumped into the recovery tank. The recovery tank is 20 gallons and can be dumped by virtue of a manual dump system out the front, like a standard box extractor, or you can use the discharge system. Water that comes into the recovery tank is first filtered by a stainless steel screen and then goes into the recovery tank. Water that goes into the recovery tank flows underneath a baffle and goes into the discharge section of the machine. Once the water rises to a sufficient level, it is pumped out at a rate of 80 gallons per minute. Then the water level drops. It is refilled by the vacuum bringing in new water. The water level rises. The system discharges it at a rate of 80 gallons a minute. And the whole cycle recurs over and over and over again until the floor is dry. The machine can pick up a puddle or a pond. For purposes of a demonstration in terms of 55-gallon drums, we have two 55-gallon drum brute containers full of water.